In today's video, you'll learn how to remove, insert, and adjust an Eggersmann NovaPro drawer and pull-out mechanism. This pertains to both the Eggersmann 2.0 and 3.0 systems. There are multiple variations of our drawer and pull-out systems, so be sure this is the correct video for your application. To verify which drawer system you have, open your drawer and view the exterior side of the drawer box. If the side of the drawer has a ridge, it's a NovaPro drawer, and you're watching the correct video. If the side of the drawer is smooth, it's a DynaPro drawer, which is covered in another video. First, pull the drawer out halfway. Hold the end of the drawer with both hands and lift up. You should hear a snap, and you'll feel the drawer disengage from the rails. Now, you should be able to easily lift the drawer off its rails. Now we can put the drawer back on. First, pull out both rails fully extended. Line up the left and right channels with the rails and lay the drawer directly on the rails. Be sure to continue to hold the end of the drawer because at this time the drawer is not yet locked in on the rails. Now, slide the drawer completely closed. You'll hear a click. The drawer is now locked in on the rails. It's a good idea to test this by slowly opening the drawer fully and checking that the drawer is securely locked in on the rails. For a pull-out mechanism, the steps are the same. The only difference is the pull-outs are generally heavier due to what you're storing in them. So it's a good idea to remove all items from the drawer or pull-out so it's lighter and easier to remove and replace the pull-out mechanism. Step 2 is how to adjust the drawer. For this step, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, or you can also use a Posi-Drive screwdriver. First, open the drawer. Locate the 2 screws at the front end of the drawer. You may have to remove the items from the drawer to gain access to the screws, including drawer inserts or any of your utensils. The top screw tightens the drawer panel. The bottom screw is the adjustment for the panel up and down. Before you can adjust the drawer, you must first loosen it by turning the top screw about a quarter or a half turn counterclockwise. Depending on the adjustment that's needed to be made, start by adjusting the panel by turning the adjustment screw clockwise or counterclockwise. Close the drawer and check your progress. Do this a few times until the drawer is fully adjusted. It's likely that you'll have to adjust the other side as well, because although the screws work independently, each plays a part in the overall adjustment of the drawer. Make an adjustment, close the drawer, check your progress, and repeat as necessary. Even when you factor in several adjustments and checks, you'll likely adjust the drawer in a matter of minutes. The steps are the same to adjust the pull-out mechanism. The next step is to adjust left and right. Open the drawer. Locate the 2 adjusters levers on the bottom left and right of the drawer box. Press in the adjusters and slide the drawer front left and right. Release the tab and close the drawer. Repeat as necessary. The third step is the tilt. The tilt allows the pull-out mechanism to tilt backwards or vice versa. Open the pull-out and locate the rails left and right above the drawer box. You'll see a slotted hole for your Phillips head or Posi-Drive screwdriver. Insert your Posi-Drive screwdriver or Phillips head screwdriver into the slotted hole and turn clockwise or counterclockwise. Small turns. These will be very minor adjustments. Close the pull-out and check your progress. Even when you factor in several adjustments and checks, you'll likely adjust the drawer in a matter of minutes. It's important to know that Eggersmann cabinetry is engineered to be adjusted easily and without force. If it feels like you have to force anything, stop and call your local Eggersmann showroom or dealer and request assistance from their service team. Thank you for viewing this video.